Hello and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today is Taco Tuesday, so we're going to go ahead and make some steak fajita tacos. It's really simple and easy. The ingredients we're going to use are one 12-ounce steak, which is actually a leftover steak from last night. We barbecued some steaks. I have a steak that was uneaten, so we're just going to chop that up and use that in our fajitas. We're also going to use for vegetables, we're going to use a red onion, which creates a beautiful coloring to the vegetables, a green pepper and a red pepper, plus 2 cloves of garlic and the juice from 1 lime, and we'll season that with salt, pepper, a tablespoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first let's go ahead and start by cutting up this onion. I love red onions and how beautiful they look. And we want to cut these so that you have these little rings here that we can go ahead and stay long as we cook our fajitas. We want to see these long onion rings. And I'm going to put one aside that I'm going to save to use because I'm going to make some guacamole, and I like to put some red onion in my guacamole. So that one we'll save. Whoops. Went ahead and cut that the wrong way. That's all right. So now we'll just change the plans. This will go into our fajitas, and these will be the ones I chop up and put into my guacamole. It is okay to go ahead and make mistakes when we're cooking. Everybody makes them. Even the greatest chefs make mistakes, and just kind of have to roll with the punches and go with it. Don't let it ruin your dinner. All right, so let's go ahead and cut our green peppers up, and we're going to go ahead and slice them so that they have long slices. Again, these look great when you have your vegetables for your fajitas. So we'll go ahead and cut those into long slices. And I have a red pepper as well we're going to put in, but this red pepper I actually already cut up for a meal. This was left over from a meal we had the other day that had lots of red peppers in there, so we'll cook those in our fajitas as well. Okay, we're going to put some garlic in there as well. And for the garlic, I'm going to dice this in little pieces, but to make the dicing easier, we're going to slice the garlic across itself like this. Keep slicing all the way over like that. Turn it to the side, and we're going to slice it downwards and create little lines in here. And this is so that when you cut it, it'll have nice little pieces. And then just cut it the other direction, cross-directionally, and all of a sudden you see these lots and lots of little tiny garlic pieces that are all diced up for us without us really having to go in there and dice up the garlic manually like this. So I'll add that to my vegetables as well. And then let's do this other one here. So there's a quick way to go ahead and dice your garlic up. All right, so these vegetables here, we're going to go ahead and add to a pan. I have a cast iron pan that's on the stove that we're going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in there and add our vegetables to. Okay, I've added our olive oil to our pan. We're going to go ahead and add in our vegetables and let those saute and cook down so they're nice and tender. And while they cook, we're actually going to go ahead and cut up that steak. Okay, our veggies are done. Let's go ahead and take these off here. And we're gonna go ahead and put them into a bowl. Just get ready to serve those with dinner. Okay, we'll put that pan back on there. And to this pan, we have here this 12-ounce steak that we cooked last night that we went ahead and saved from our grilling, and we sliced it up into thin slices, and we're going to put it here into our pan. We're going to add about a tablespoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of cumin. To that, we're going to squeeze in the juice from one lime. And we're going to go ahead and just mix it all up and let it cook together here real quick. And then we'll serve that with our vegetables over some tortillas with some beans and rice. Okay, let's go ahead and get ready to serve these. So let's add some of these to some vegetables to our tortilla here. And then we'll throw on some steak. Yum, fajitas. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made steak fajitas. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more recipes like this. Thanks.